Generative AI is rapidly transforming the workplace, and understanding its basics is crucial for everyone. Welcome to our quick guide on Generative AI for Dummies. First, let's establish a clear understanding of what Generative AI actually is. Generative AI is a form of artificial intelligence that focuses on creation. It can produce entirely new content, whether that's text, images, code, or video, based on your instructions. Think of it this way. Traditional A. I might classify a photo as having a cat or a dog. Generative AI, however, can create a brand new image, like a cat riding a skateboard. It's about generation, not just analysis. So how does this creative assistant actually produce such high-quality original work? Let's look at the simple view. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT are built around a core component called a large language model, or LLM. These models are essentially the brain behind the operation. The LLM is trained on massive amounts of data, essentially most of the publicly available text on the internet. It analyzes this vast library to learn patterns, grammar, and context of human language. When you provide a prompt, the model's job is simply to figure out the most statistically probable next word to follow your instruction, and it continuously makes these predictions to construct a coherent, human-like response. Now that we know what generative AI is and how it works, let's look at how you can use it every day, starting with text-based tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. Text-based AI is excellent for drafting and writing. You can save significant time by having the AI generate professional emails or other written content based on simple instructions. You can also use these tools to quickly summarize key takeaways from a long document, improving your comprehension, or to brainstorm creative starting points for new content. Generative AI is great for simplifying complex topics. You can ask it to translate concepts and tailor the explanation to any audience, whether they are a new client or a colleague from a different department. Beyond text, generative AI also powers image and creative tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, which turn text into new visual content. These tools allow you to generate unique, high-quality visuals for marketing, presentations, or social media without needing to involve a designer, saving you both time and resources. You can quickly visualize new ideas and concepts, such as a mascot for a training program, allowing for rapid feedback and iteration during the development process. While generative AI is powerful, it's not perfect. It's crucial to apply your own judgment, and remember these important points. The AI can sometimes hallucinate, meaning it generates plausible-sounding but completely false information. Always fact-check any critical details, like names, dates, or numbers. The quality of the output is directly related to the quality of your prompt. Be specific, clear, and provide context about the audience or tone to ensure the AI gives you exactly what you need. A critical reminder: never input sensitive, proprietary, or highly confidential company information into any public generative AI tool. Always protect our data. Generative AI is a powerful creative assistant designed to help you work smarter. Use it wisely, and look out for future resources on how to write even better prompts. Subscribe Focus ME for more learning. Thanks for watching.